Go. Oh, yeah, give them. Oh, left to right. Hey. I think Bloomers, then the millennials too. Some of us like, but them Gen Zs, them Sharon Baby, they don't go know this kind of song. That was like, who sang this song? Like, who is this person? Not Tu Baba, Sharon, in case you don't know. Tu Baba, Face, Blackface. I think the three of them. And then be the Plantation Boys. So like the three of them jump on top of Plantation Boys. And I stayed very, very young at that time.
Yeah,
I think I was still in primary school.
Primary school? Wow.
Yeah. I was still in primary school.
I think I did first or second year for university.
Wow.
But that's not the year when this Celine Dion song with Kelly come out. I'm your angel. So
okay. I'll be your light
now one of
in
my
the sky.
favorite from Celine. That's not the year. That's not the year. I remember that.
Wow.
Not the year.
Wow. Good old memories, Sha. All right, in case you just tune in right now, now still the original Naija station, Naija FM 102.7, and now time for us to cross over with Lady JJ, the Assam Pete one of Naija FM. Lady JJ is looking Chelsea-ish this morning.
Chelsea, I be blues,
all blues. She's looking all bluish, this morning. Lady JJ, how your break yesterday? You know, come work yesterday now.
No come work yesterday. Don't forget we see yesterday. Yesterday
you know,
Monday.
I think say today now actually Thursday.
No.
Earlier on, so I said, thank God it's Thursday. I'm like, Becca, calm down. I don't say you love the weekend.
It don't happen to me too. It don't happen to me
too. Okay. All right, so earlier on, I just introduced a new segment on the show.
Yeah.
And we be first day Tory, where I say make people send in messages or send in a voice note, let me know how their first date experience be, and the person where they meet waiting no make them they interested in that person after that first date. For men, I say waiting no make them call the other person, the lady where they go out on that first date, waiting no make them call them again for a second date. Then for the women, I ask them, say waiting no let them pick the call of that other guy where they go on that first date. Waiting no make them pick the call again. For Sharon, I asked her, he say the first date, say the guy to talk. Say the guy was just talking all about himself, all about his. I say the guy not even allow him really talk at all. It's supposed to be a date, like interact. You talk, I talk. You talk, I talk. But the bulk of the talking, now the guy just talk. They go. Another person say he meets this girl on IG. Say the girl they very, very beautiful. Say in fact, if you go her page, you go almost sit down for her page because all the pictures, the videos, powerful, beautiful. So when they both come meet, you realize that the girl where you see on social media, it a little bit different because he realized that this guy with the bleach.
Wow.
So I believe probably maybe you don't see like some knuckles and some green veins and the rest of them. So say immediately you see her. Say all the kind of feelings, the butterfly where you get from so everything just die. Say because you know that person we actually peel off her skin, we bleach. Say so now why call the girl again for a second date. So before I move to that one man we call, I want to ask you get any first date experience or first date story where we say after the first dates, maybe in the past, where we say you say this guy, I don't think I'll go on this second date with him.
I don't get that experience, like one or two. But I remember this guy trouble me. Say I like him, like me. I say you like me. Well, how much of me you sabi to decide whether you like me? He say, say I be good woman. Say I be wife material. I say you don't spend time with me to know whether I be my wife material or good woman. You never spend time with me now, so if you just conclude.
You don't judge you already.
Judge you. I don't judge a book by its cover. I know why they come from there. He say, that one no matter, but he know say I be good woman. He trouble me. I say okay. He say you want me we see. Say okay, no problem. So where they worship, they get one restaurant. I don't want to call the name, but very affordable. If I want chop beans, most times I go because they cook them well. Because beans are one of my favorites.
Now why you tall? Because when I grow up, I don't like this.
So if you shop easy for talk.
That my papa they always tell us that time. Now say if you shop, they always force us. Say to buy wanga. But in mind I'm like, Popsy, you're not too tall like that. You understand? But like I'm so sorry, but it's
you be like saying being one tall children.
But my mama too not tall. now. My beans, but I think I said your own are beans.
Okay, so but when I go there, not be beans I order for now something else. So it's okay. May we see on a Tuesday. So when he come, I say I don't order, and because I dey hungry, I dey chop. Apologize for. I'm so sorry. You must have been hungry.
Okay.
Now I make you go order. Okay. How much be the food? Do the first way you talk now, where my own? Why you no order for me? I say now, wow. First time where you they see me.
Lady, maybe they play.
No. I'm not vex for him.
Maybe he was just joking.
He no joke. Because he left that restaurant without paying for it.
And now he asked for the dates.
Oh,
wow. Wow.
So you see, why I go agree for that kind of person?
Wait, but carry spoon shook for that your food.
No, thankfully. He respect himself to not carry
cutlery
and put for inside to say me we share. Now therefore I don't know how for react. But I can't ask him a few questions. Okay, so why you? Because he say in belief say na me be the one. So I can't ask him say why you think say na me. He can't say we get the same circle of friends.
Oh,
that now why you feel say na me? I quiet. He can't say we did the same because I did sing.
Yeah.
Say we did the same ministry.
They sing too.
Now I never hear him voice. I never see any recording where he don't do.
Yeah.
He say. Somebody like me now, if they connected to somebody like me now, in ministry go up. So you won't use me?
No, at least see life. We all use each other.
No, I understand. I get that part of say we won't use each other, but you see when person they outrightly tell you in reasons.
Yeah, but he's being honest.
No.
Well,
person done the last.
He's being honest. At least the last person, did he tell you that he's here to use you?
No, tell me. He behave like say they interested.
But he use you, I be no use you.
Use me where?
So what this one can't tell you say now use you, won't use you.
Make I get out.
You see, best.
I don't know.
What do we want? We always shout that I want an honest
wait.
a loyal guy.
Wait.
But
so this kind of person now you believe say if I give him chance.
So you guys are going to use each other for each other's ministry or for the same ministry?
Really?
Yeah, you use you. I use you. I every day we are using each other.
That guy go drain me.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So now empty cup in the carry come.
Yeah, before person wey no even ask for date, wey no even ensure say the person wey they call me they okay and they all right and comfortable. Now me go hungry. I can't when we come. You can't say okay, in guys go and get meeting, but we will go talk later. I say no problem. I will can't go now. I can't say okay. So waiting you think. I can't say that this kind of person. It get as you go take. Pursue them subtly.
Yeah.
I can't say I don't hear you. Shebi you say you pray, God tell you, okay, but God need to tell me. I need to pray. May God tell me.
Tell me too.
Tell me too. We both be children of God. So if God they talk to you, he go talk to me too. That now one. Secondly, if you they very convinced about waiting, you sense, you don't go follow me talk again. See my papa, you go follow him talk. Pastor Sam, now my spiritual father.
Yeah.
Go follow him talk.
Yeah.
But tell him say, I see your daughter, I love your daughter, and I want marry him. I say every father go dey happy say somebody will love in daughter and want marry him. I say number 3, your pastor, go tell him the same thing where you tell me. When you don't do all this one finish, and you dey sure,
can come back.
You no come back.
So you know meet all those people.
You know meet when you go come call me, tell me say in the ready. Then like 1 year later, I say Oga, you think say
you don't wait, you
go
wait.
carry me, put for shelf, make I dey wait for you. Unfortunately, no, if na God say wait, I understand.
Yeah.
But for you, a human being to come keep person they wait, no. It doesn't
but
work that
was
way.
it like you been there another relationship? You be there another relationship at that time? But
No. I know there another relationship, and you know say you never have to take where I come out from that. That horrible experience. So all these measures where I put in place now also for my own self to checkmate myself as well.
Okay.
So that I no go just rush in based on the first guy we don't talk to me after this experience. Then go enter inside another wahala again.
But you don't know if the guy they actually think about it. Say okay because we know say decision to marry now is one of the biggest decision ever. The person where you want marry fear either make or marry you. So maybe the guy too, I just try, I want to play the devil's advocate right now. So maybe the guy too, say make you just think very, very well for that 1 year, and at the same time they study you for one high, you understand? But you say they study, but the guys they study you well, and he can't get enough conviction. Say, oh, after 12 months of conviction, Lady J is the one.
Now, person where you around, now you go fit study.
Oh, how far away?
It just communicate with me, no talk to me. Don't all the check away they check on me before
stop
him.
Oh, they don't break in heart somewhere. Won't come back to you. Now you be spare tire.
I not be spare tire. Another thing again, in pastor invite me for their church for a program. He see me. He know say I did there.
Yeah, and he no concrete.
He no come greet me.
No.
Now when I come out, now I can send me text, baby, how are you? It was so good to see you.
See who?
I looked the message.
Like say, well, all right.
Me. I know if you answer.
No, you don't give me all these details before. I for no do devil advocate.
I got the message.
See who?
You see me.
See
the only question I ask him say, you see me for your program. You know if he come. He say, sorry, in Dave so busy.
How many minutes will it take?
How many minutes it will take to say just hello? No, I'm so sorry, I did busy. No worry,
Lady, I understand you now.
And so seeing all of those things when they display, I know say this one, it go waste my time. And on another point again, age difference.
You did older
20,
than
I did older. And I say,
how many years you collect from me?
That I did my I think early 30s. I be 30 something then. He say say I not tell him my age. So he say, but he say I old person. But you no mind. I say you no mind. Now come ask him say, waiting be the guarantee. You say if I agree for you, I'm come marry. You go say a younger lady come the regret say you marry woman way old past you. Those are tough questions where you need to ask.
But at the same time, we don't see people who marry.
I don't get any problem with age. Should I tell you say the last 30 where I carry 4 years senior.
Yeah.
But now he mess up the.
But that one now and another woman. That one and another woman.
Which one?
The one where you carry 4 years for.
No, the last relationship.
Yeah, was it another woman? Was it a younger woman that caused? Now the younger woman caused the.
I don't know. He tell him friends say he don't know how he want tell him parents say I carry 4 years senior.
I don't understand.
So he carried it. So now the friend tell him say, I don't even know say this lady old pass you because if I they look too often now, be like saying now you even old pass him.
Can you imagine?
So if I say I like this girl, I like her well, but he say no. If to say now 1 or 2 years, if I no mind, but 4 years, if 4 years did too much.
4 years is not too much, you. 4 years. Omolola and Peter. You know, see the age 8 gap.
8 years.
4 years is close now. What does she mean? All right. So earlier, because I know I go soon they pack my load come out. One man, I don't know. Let's say, did you check your DM lately?
Nothing did my DM.
You sure?
Nobody did my DM.
You know, say some DM they eating. So you need to go the eating
icon.
I did
go the hidden icon.
You
I
need to go
check
because
anyone.
You that this daddy.
Married daddy.
Yes, he said daddy because Sharon tell me say the man gets
children.
Get children.
Yeah, so now get children.
So he call. He say no like as they. Mr. Godwin, they tell people say you are single.
What ain't being problem?
Say even me too. As they talk, say it's not good. It's not a good thing to be telling people on air that you are single.
So make we quiet.
He said because say anybody fits come into your DM. Yeah. He can't refer back to my own story where I tell and say me and this guy we don't they talk for some time. By the time we come meet, I realize saying a short person and me I don't want because me self you understand. Dan Kwarawani is me, so and I want somebody tall and the rest of them. He said, see what I'm saying. Say see. I can't say daddy. This story where I talk now. This was more than 10 years ago. Don't come here telling me that I can't water shower.
I don't blame you. The when in call last week Thursday, they talk all the talk to the point say 2 listeners send me. I go continue to talk this thing because when God go do I go make reference to those messages.
Exactly.
Send me message say Lady J, you don't go and marry.
Now wow.
Say make I go marry.
People to do. Like I don't understand.
May you not be a woman and you are waiting. So because you talk say make I go marry, make I go carry any Tom Dick and Harry marry. Then tomorrow Nana make go come dey cry say wait happen. It no go happen.
And like the same set of people will still laugh you.
They go still laugh you.
That's it.
That's the thing.
Ohun ayé bá sọ ẹ̀dá o, wá fi bú ẹ bódòlà. Àmọ́ nánà sẹ́yìn ayé fẹ́lẹ́. I don dey go. Ayé ti fẹ́lẹ́. Time don reach for me to pack my load, come on from inside the studio. And of course, the prof, yes, it all must enter inside the studio. They hand you over to the capable hands of Lady JJ. They are Semper one of Naija FM. I will see you tomorrow.